Hey, I want to let you know about a couple of things that if you've been involved in an accident that you might have not known about. And so one of the things is called diminished value. And so what diminished value is whenever someone hits your car and it has to go to the shop and it has to get repaired and there's a claim on it, it actually lowers the value of your vehicle, okay? So now your vehicle is not worth the same amount as it was before the accident. So you can actually file a claim against the other person's insurance, and it's called a diminished value claim. And what they're gonna do is they're gonna estimate how much. I mean, they're gonna see how much the damage was that they had to pay out, right? They're gonna see what the value is, and they'll give you a percentage of that. And so that's just free advice that a lot of people don't know about. That if you've been in an accident, someone hit you, and you didn't know about it, you need to call that insurance company back and says, hey, I would like to file a diminished value claim, okay?